Rivero missing again on the drive. Cancino picks it up. Nonoy spins, puts it up and in.
And this is the Nonoy that we all know. And so far, you really like the energy of UP as we see here. The spin move going to this left for Mark Nonoy.
A one and done for the Tiger Cubs, who averaged 22 points game. And you jack up 15 threes right away on your first game. Now talk about confidence. And talk about trust also by Coach Aldinayo. As Subido steps back for three. Gets it to go!
Renzo Subido!
And UST takes over the lead. But this game, Rivero lines up the three. And look at Abando climbing the ladder for that defensive rebound. Nonoy! Burns of rubber!
First plug here for the UST Growling Tigers.
You see though, first this leap by Abando, and then see how quick Nonoy just breezes past Manzo from one end.
Obviously like the open court play for Mark Nonoy working the
Runners here. Finds Subido with 9 to shoot. Subido looks at the clock. Against Manzo. Subido. 3 seconds. Fades away. Oh!
And
Subido. Opportunity. Look at this.
Here you see Renzo Subido. He wanted that ISO.
That is tough.
Difficult step back jumper.
Fading away.
Exactly. Really tried to put that arc.
Right hand, left leg up. Bea, you play this game. No, Chabio with a rebound. Nonoy doesn't have the numbers. But he drives anyway. 76. This is the finals, right?
What
the way
about
they're playing.
no opening game day jitters as we see here.
McDonald's instant replay. Mark Nonoy.
Number 22, Javi Gomez Deliano is fourth.
And they're fighting like it's the... And they recover on offense here as Nonoy for the three. Gets it to go. Right at the PS Bank last 2 minutes. PS Bank Pasen.
And just a crazy sequence of events here.
This was the first one, Bea. One from Nonoy, the newbie.
And
Too wild. Chabio with the offensive rebound. Subido for three. Sends that baby home.
Subido
80. Another one from the veteran.
And so far for UST, their two-point guard lineup on the floor has been working wonders for them. The two smallest guys on the floor is making the biggest shots of the ball game.
Alright, guys. Not afraid to score, and so is this kid. Renzo Subido on
And he's
another
not
step
done.
back.
He's not done. Already 8 points.